Kobe. Use it. What's going on, good people? Good people, party people. Money Squad. Can't say brick by brick. Thanks to Nigel. Well, I guess I could, but it is what it is. I'll let him have that. Thank you for rocking with me and welcome back to the channel. This is another video. Probably gonna be doing several videos. I have to redo this because my video was kind of crappy in the first one. So bear with me, please. I have a lot of videos to get out. I'm anticipating the union ones to come. So stay tuned for that video. I know I don't normally do ones. So we'll see. Maybe I may turn back into a one hand or one hand, one hand, one head. All right. But nonetheless, make sure you go follow the fam 313 Retro Queen, McFlyKOF, and follow us at Who Has the Heat. We're coming upon season 12. So if you want to be, if you're interested in the sneaker battle, go ahead and check us out on Who Has the Heat on IG. We still need about, I think, 8 more people. Once we get those people, we will be on and popping. As for me, Emoneyshoes, I'm on the road to 10K. Once we hit 10K, we will do a giveaway. Bars. Now, without further ado, without too much rambling and ranting and all of that stuff, we're going to get into this video. Now, some of you may or may not know, but as you can see the shirt, this is my guy, Kobe Bean Bryant. I know some people may say 8 was better. Some people may say 24 is better. But I truly believe KB, 8 Afro Kobe was a beast, right? Most people don't give him his credit, saying Shaq this, Shaq that. Well, if you go back and roll the tape, all the way up until the championship, it was Kobe. And then Kobe pretty much deferred to Shaq, and he was the MVP because they had the biggest matchup. But easily he could have did that and been selfish himself. But that's neither here nor there. It is what it is. Still miss the guy to this day. But bang, this is what I did here. It's a red box. This is the Kobe Chinese New Year. And Emoneyshoes needs some glasses a little bit just to tell you which one it is. All right, let's see. Shall we? So this is a size 10 Kobe 5 Protro Fisher colorway University Red Black. Code F Foxtrot 5182 600 UK 9 and all of that good stuff. Okay, enough of that. You can see the code here. Red box, Kobe signature. You got this stuff on the back. This was an international exclusive. Coming like this. I copped these from Goats. Say they came down since then. Is what it is. Got this fresh dust bag. Got 8 and 24. Got your gold Kobe Bean, aka the Mamba. Question: who actually uses dust bag? Anybody use a dust bag? I'm not actually sure, but it's nice enough to last. And the shit, oh crap, shooting, dropping stuff, all like that. And here we go. Check it out. Woo-wee. I think these are the best of the two. Gotta get the smell test. We don't have no extra laces. So we're gonna go with this one. See on the bottom, you got the Kobe and you got the carbon fibers. Bang, tap. Rusty, bear with me though, bear with me. Let's get the spin a Rooney. Shout out to Booker T. Turn them around, turn around. This is most definitely the best one in my opinion. You got Nike, Zoom, and then on this side, let me see, have anything else? I think you got that fly wire. You got some gold on the toe. You see on the tongue, You got your gold hits, red laces. I know a lot of people are not too keen on the snake. Maybe should I go flat black? Maybe I should do the swoosh, something like that. Very, very light shoe. So I ain't mad at you if you have these as a basketball shoe. And behind the tongue, I think this is 8 and 24 in Chinese, I'm pretty sure. On the back of it, it's got Kobe's signature, and inside you just got your regular tissue paper wafer, and you got 8 and 24 inside the shoe, as you can see. Red is my favorite color, so I may be a little biased. I did go true to size on these. Probably was a big, big mistake because everybody knows Kobe's run small. But I mean, I guess if you want that lockdown balling on that, you would go with this. But a true to size, but I don't really like my foot feeling squeezed to death, as you, I guess, so to speak. All right, so let's go check out the right shoe. I don't see nothing no different in this shoe. Pretty much have the same thing. Same thing. And like I said, you just see underneath, kind of got the traction pattern, which is very, very interesting. And like I said, these are a very, very light shoe. So I am not mad at you if you decide to cop these. I think on the resale market, I forgot what they were, about 400-500, somewhere around there now. They may have come down since then. Of course, the resale market, I ain't into the reselling, but it's just like, well, um, people just got to catch them and see what you can get far as that. But nonetheless, I'm glad to have these in the collection. Now, whether I wear them or not is a whole nother different situation. Lately, the only Kobe's I actually wore were these joints right here, the number pair. Those other releases, the Mama Cedars, I just have them in the case. I think they're up there in the cases, and they probably would never touch the ground because they just very sentimental to me. Now, with that being said, and like I said in my previous videos, I'm going to start doing a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being 100%. So with that being said, let's take a look. Red is my favorite color. I can't really find any flaws with these outside of it was not released in the United States. So with that being said, I might be biased to this, but I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. All right, 10 out of 10. You agree? You agree? So like I said, you can do me a big, big favor. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We can get this channel moving. I'm trying to get into the algorithm. Like I said, 10K on the way, and we will be giving stuff away. Okay, all right. Bars again. Other than that, thank the love and support. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.